Hello, my name is Chris Blackburn. I am a software engineer since 1989. By popular demand, I'm going to show you how to clean up LinkedIn so you no longer see the annoying prompts and promotional garbage that they throw at you. To do this, you'll need to install the Grease Monkey plugin for your browser. It's not difficult, it's perfectly safe, but if you're worried about doing that, please stop watching now as this video will not help you. Personally, I use the Firefox browser and have for many years. Once I install my favorite plugins into this browser, I trust it more than any other browser available. Google Chrome will likely work, but you have to install the Tamper Monkey plugin, which is similar to Grease Monkey. It's supposed to be a Grease Monkey port, so it works just like it or similarly to it. I have used Chrome and Tamper Monkey, not with my script, but with other scripts. I'm not a fan of Chrome, but all the scripts I have used, seem to work nicely over there on Chrome and Tamper Monkey. Safari may work as well, but I've not tested that. If you want to try Safari, there's a plugin called Grease Kit, and that may work. If you use Internet Explorer, you're out of luck, as far as I know. This video will describe how to do this using Firefox. So now I'm going to show you LinkedIn before we install the script. I will show you the extremely simple code that I wrote and explain how it works. Then we'll see how to install Grease Monkey, and then the fix LinkedIn script that I wrote. Lastly, we will look at LinkedIn again to see how the script removes the annoyances. I've already logged into LinkedIn, and this is the first page I see. Usually you'll be presented with this annoying reconnect with your colleagues box right above this ad here, right above this pulse box. It's another piece of content I don't care to see every time I log in. So right now LinkedIn must be keeping track because I've logged in a few times and now it stopped showing that box to me. So apparently they've taken note and listened to some people complain about showing them their beg screens constantly. So in addition to that box though, which you don't see right now, by the way, the script will remove that box if you do see it. But in addition to that, we have this Pulse news box here, and this is paid content. These articles, people, newspapers, and so forth pay to have these articles posted here. At least that's my take. I believe that's the case. I don't know for sure, but it seems to be the case. This is nothing that any of us subscribe to. LinkedIn just forces us to see it every time we log in. It's annoying, right? So the next thing that this script will do is remove. If you click on profile, it will remove this other annoying beg screen that asks you to update your profile. This here, see, you can see mine is asking me, what activities or societies did you participate in as a student at Central Missouri State University, right? So that's another thing that I don't want to see, and it is there every single time I look at my profile, and it's annoying in the extreme. So I just want to say that I do understand why LinkedIn may want to do this once or twice, and keep track like that other box that we talked about, or maybe even just remind you every 2 or 3 months. I get it, but every single time it just is extremely irritating, and people tell me this all the time. So I wrote the script, and it will get rid of these three pieces of annoying content that we just identified. So to do that, we first need to install the Grease Monkey plugin. Now, the easiest way to do that is to click on Tools and then Add-ons, this menu bar right here. So click that, and it shows us this screen. There's this search box right here, and so I'm going to type in Grease Monkey, all one word, no spaces. Hit Enter, and Mine, I've already installed it, so mine is listed under my add-ons, but you're going to see it over here under available add-ons under this tab here. You don't see it on mine because, again, if you click over here, it shows it's already installed. So under available add-ons, you find Grease Monkey. It should be at the top, and you click the install button. Once you click that, it will download and install, and then it will change color. This highlighted row that is Grease Monkey, it'll change color, and it'll show you a link that says restart now. So you click that link, and that will restart Firefox and install Grease Monkey. Okay, so once it starts back up, Grease Monkey will be installed, and you'll see a little icon like this guy right here, this little monkey. That will be up here in the top somewhere. I installed this add-on bar, this status bar, because I like to keep this relatively clean up here, and I just like it better down here. So mine shows up down here, but as long as you see this little monkey, you did it successfully and it is installed. Okay, so now we navigate to the script, and I will add this link to the notes on LinkedIn. I mean on on YouTube and on the LinkedIn forum, so that you can just click on the link and go to this page. Once you get to this link, this is the code, by the way. This is all it is. Basically these 3 lines. That's all it is. And you click on this raw button, and that will ask you, do you really want to install this? You say yes. You click this install button like that. Now it's installed. You click OK, and you're done. And that's it. Now LinkedIn is fixed. And just before we go back to LinkedIn and refresh the page and look at what it's done, I'll explain how this works. These first 9 lines are just Grease Monkey meta tags. These just tell Grease Monkey, it gives the script a name, shows you where it's being used, a description. It only runs the script where these include lines tell it to run. This is the version number, and this is granting. It's asking, can I use? It's saying I want to be able to use these calls to add styles to these boxes, these divs on the LinkedIn page. Okay, so what that does, it says for each one of these little boxes of content, set it to display none. Make that important. So basically it just hides it. It doesn't remove anything, it just hides those boxes, those 3 annoying pieces of content. And that's all it does. So now we'll navigate back over to LinkedIn. This is my profile page. I'm just going to hit refresh. And again, it takes a minute. Usually it refreshes, and slowly then that box, that annoying box, will pop up right above this box. And you can see it does not pop up here because now we have that script installed, that Grease Monkey script. So that fixed that piece. Now if we click back on the main page, this is the page we see when we first log in. You can see the Pulse news thing is gone, and the other box was already gone. But if you saw that before, you will not see it again ever, unless they change the way they're naming their content classes and so forth, their divs. So that's it. You will no longer see those annoyances on LinkedIn. If you have any problems or questions, feel free to message me here on YouTube or on the LinkedIn forum, and enjoy your newfound LinkedIn freedom. Thanks for watching.